Bila dah bertahun-tahun buat video masak ni, aku selalu dapat soalan, Min, tak nak jual produk sendiri ke? Pasal aku macam, nak jual apa? Susu kambing, kari kepala ikan? I don't know. Tapi daripada situ aku mula brainstorm dan terfikir, why not aku buat something yang spicy, something yang memudahkan orang untuk makan. Maka daripada situ lahirlah idea untuk eksperimen dan buat sejenis sambal ini. So sambal ni aku dah rumuskan supaya dia senang untuk dimakan sebab dia dah masak. Tapi kalau korang nak guna dalam masakan pun boleh juga. Yang ni aku letakkan dalam nasi goreng. Kalau nak lagi kick, tambahkan petai and then gaulkan dengan udang. And then kalau korang busy dengan work from home ataupun yang mana bujang-bujang nak makan senang-senang je, boleh goreng telur mata, makan macam ni. Semua perkenalkan, sahabat Nyet Berapi by Khairul Aming. Dah berapa kali dah aku memperkenalkan ni. Tapi kalau nak beli, dah boleh beli hari ni, dah available. So thank you very much everyone for your support. Selamat mencuba.
Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today we want to present about sentiment analysis on Sambal Nyet. This is my group members. My name is NURUL BALQIS binti ABDULLAH and my matrix number is 2025122051. This is project background. Food influencer Khairul Aming continued to make great strides by announcing his second factory in Kota Baru. The 30-year-old entrepreneur released a video update on the announcement and recalled the success of his first factory in making his very ready-to-eat sambal paste known as Sambal Nyet Berapi. The Kota Baru native, whose real name is Khairul Amin Kamarul Zaman, built the factory from ground up. According to Khairul, the factory produced 1 million bottles of Sambal Nyet Berapi with a gross sales of Rm40 million. According to Khairul, between 6 January 2021 and 6 January 2022, he sold 540,000 bottles, equivalent to gross sales of Rm7.5 million.
My name is NURIN SYAZWANI binti ZULKARNAIN and my student ID is 2025121929. This is the problem statement of this study. First, customer feedback on Khairul Aming's Sambal Nyet Berapi. Second, evaluating how satisfied customers are to strengthen its position in the market. Third, sold exclusive online but not available in physical store. Feedback from customer on Khairul Aming Sambal Nyet Berapi is essential in understanding satisfaction levels and guiding future improvements. Being an online-only product, these reviews are vital in maintaining its reputation and growing its market reach. We have two objectives, which is descriptive analytic and predictive analytic. First, descriptive analytic, to assess general customer satisfaction and determine the key factors driving its popularity. Next, predictive analytic, to create a forecasting system that anticipates customer preference and demand trends, aiming to refine marketing approaches and elevate satisfaction level of Sambal Nyet Berapi.
This is our business understanding. First is customers of Sambal Nyet Berapi Khairul Aming. Second, collect reviews from 3 different platforms such as Shopee, TikTok and Twitter, and the last one is reviews from customers of the product.
My name is KHALISYAH binti GHAZALI and my ID number is 2025381097. I will explain about data understanding. In this project, we get to review across different platforms. From TikTok, we collect 871 rows with 30 attributes covering review between 2022 and 2023. Shopee provide 900 rows with 19 attributes from 2021 to 2025. Twitter gives us 239 rows with 15 attributes, all from 2025. This dataset form the foundation of our sentiment analysis.
This is data dictionary for TikTok. It have 13 attributes column. Next, this is data dictionary for Shopee. It have 19 attributes column. Lastly, this is data dictionary for Twitter. It has 15 attributes column.
For building our model, we prepared a training dataset. This step ensured that our data was clean, balanced and ready for machine learning. We split the data into training and testing set to evaluate performance objectively. We use Shopee Review Extractor to collect data, focus on relevant customer feedback for Sambal Nyet Berapi by Khairul Aming. This data only collect from Khairul Aming brand shop only. This method allows us to gather a large amount of unstructured review data efficiently. To collect the data, we need to press on download review that can be found at review section. Since I only have free account, I need to download review multiply time because each time only 20 data review can be downloaded. From Shopee, we obtain 900 raw data. After cleaning, we translate and select relevant review. To translate the text, I copy all comment column and paste it in Google spreadsheet. Then make a new column to translate all the text using formula equal Google Translate into formula to English. Then copy back the translated text to the original file. This step was crucial because the original data contained a mix of language and some non-relevant content. Data cleansing involves removing duplicate, fixing inconsistent, and handling missing value. By doing this, we improve data quality and ensure that our analysis and model will produce reliable results. We use retrieve, multiply, and remove the duplicate operator. The results shown in the picture below. We then take our data to qualify review as positive or negative. This staging was an important step in preparing for our sentiment analysis model. We use retrieve, multiply, remove replicate, nominate to text, select attribute, extract sentiment, and write CSV operator. The result shown as the picture below. It has score, score with string, negativity, positivity, uncovered token, and comment. When we open the Access file, we can see all columns that we need for sentiment analysis. To get polarity, we need to compare negativity and positivity column. If negativity is more than positivity, it means negative, otherwise it's positive. Data polarity analysis allows us to quantify the proportion of positive versus negative sentiment in the review. This helps us identify general customer satisfaction level for Sambal Nyet. We need to compare the score. If it is more than 0, then it's positive. If it's 0, then it's neutral, otherwise it's negative. The polarity show that if the polarity is positive, does not mean that the true polarity is also positive. It is possible for it to be neutral or negative.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is KHALISYAH binti ISMAIL with matrix number 2025180111. Now I will be sharing how we did web scraping on Twitter, now known as ads, for our topic Sambal Nyet. First, we use Google Colab to write and run our Python code as shown here. The first step was to set up the authentication token for accessing Twitter data using the Tweet Harvest tool. Before that, we also needed to install Node.js, which is required by Tweet Harvest, and we use several Linux commands to make sure everything was set up properly. Once the setup was complete, we began crawling tweets. We set a keyword, in our case Sambal Nyet. The tools fetches the tweets and save them in a CSV file, making it easier to work with later. We also mounted our Google Drive so we could save and access the data directly from the drive. Lastly, we copied the CSV file from the local session into our Google Drive using a simple copy command. This ensures our data stays safe and can be used later for processing, labeling, or even sentiment analysis. So that's the basic process of how we scrape tweets from Twitter ads.
We use TikTok comment scraper to scrape the data reviews for Sambal Nyet Khairul Aming from TikTok. First, click the scraper to open its page. Make sure publish by Epify. Next, add one or more TikTok video link to get many reviews from the comment TikTok and set the number of comments you want to scrape and click start. After that, click export and choose download in Excel and the data will be downloaded.
Next, this slide shows the data transformation Twitter ads, and here is the result for 240 reviews after translating.
This is data transformation for TikTok. We need to choose only relevant reviews, which is select the suitable review for the product and delete irrelevant sentence and translate it to English. For TikTok, we have 871 raw data, and after data transformation conducted, we have only 127 reviews.
Next, this slide showing the data aggregation for Twitter ads and TikTok, which we combine the data together. After the data aggregation, we use it to clean the data using rapid miner. First, we retrieve the data using retrieve operator. Second, we use multiply operator. And lastly, we use remove duplicate operator to remove the same review. Next, we will do data taking. We add nominal to text data operator, select attribute operator to select attribute review only. After that, we will use extract sentiment operator. And lastly, we will add write CSV operator to save the data. After that, click button 1 on the rapid miner and we will get the result. Next, we will use the previous data to obtain the polarity. By using SL command, we classify the score negative if it is less than 0. Otherwise, it will be positive. Next, each command was manually reviewed to assess its emotional tone, classifying it as positive, negative or neutral. This result would then compare it with rapid miner data taking and label as true polarity.
Next, we move to the data modeling, descriptive analytic. First, analysis on count of positive review based on different social media platform. This is the graph of the positive review. Positive review Shopee is 850, TikTok 96, Twitter 117. Shopee get the highest positive review while TikTok get the lowest positive review. Many people give positive review when they got the Sambal Nyet Berapi. They comment about the taste and the level of spiciness.
We visualize negative reviews across 3 platforms by using a bar chart. The data shows that Shopee have the highest number of negative reviews, followed closely by Twitter, and the lowest number of negative reviews is TikTok.
Next, analysis on count of neutral review based on different social media platforms. Twitter get the highest neutral review and the value is 81 rather than TikTok and Shopee. As we can see, Shopee got the lowest neutral review and the value is 5. Some example of the comment is it tastes same and similar like other sambal that have been sold from other store.
Next, I will show how to do data modeling for TikTok, Twitter and Shopee for predictive analytics. Let's go! First, we need to import data polarity for data training and testing. Second, we retrieve the training data and by using set role operator, we set the attribute name to true polarity and set the target role to label. Third, apply nominal to text and set the attribute filter type to single and choose the attribute which is comment. Fourth, add process document from data operator. Next, in process document from data operator, we need to apply for operator which is tokenize, filter stop words, stamp and transform. After that, we need to apply cross validation operator. After that, we need to repeat all the steps for testing data. Next, use apply model and connect it to cross validation and testing data. Lastly, apply performance operator.
Next, we need to evaluate the model to measure the accuracy of the model. To predict sentiment, we experimented with 3 machine learning models. First, NIF various kernel. It is simple, fast and effective for text classification and high dimension data. It also requires small amount of training data. Second, K-nearest neighbor KNN. It is simple and intuitive as well as sweet for small to medium dataset. Lastly, random forest. It is known for high accuracy and resistant to overfitting. It can also handle missing value and unbalanced data as well. We use evaluation metrics like accuracy to measure how well each model performs. Our first model was NIF various with a kernel function. In cross validation, in the training part, I put NIF various with kernel function. Then the result shown in the picture below with accuracy of 97.89%. Our second model was K-nearest neighbor or KNN. In cross validation, in the training part, I put KNN, then the result shown in the picture below with the accuracy of 95%. Our third model was random forest, a powerful ensemble method. It will multiply decision trees and combine their output for better accuracy. In cross validation, in the training part, I put random forest, then the result shown in the picture below with the accuracy of 94.44%.
Last but not least, I will explain the conclusion of this study. Based on this, NIF base get the highest accuracy, which is 97.89%. It means that it is the most suitable model for this dataset because it is able to classify the data more accurately and consistently. Random forests get the lowest accuracy for this study, and the value is 94.44%. This suggests that it is less suitable for these datasets due to its lower consistency and accuracy compared to other models. Next, K nearest neighbor. The accuracy is 95%. This indicates that while KNN is usable, it may not be the most optimal choice for these datasets.